how can you move back the time on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it and let's get started. If you're new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so you probably know that you can grab your Apple Watch, go to the settings and locate the time section. So you can just change it in there and you basically have the ability to just move the time forward, right? So you can add minutes, like go plus, like add a few minutes here and there. But in order to go back on the time, you cannot do it on the Apple Watch itself, but you have to do it on the iPhone that is, of course, paired or was used to set up the watch, where you go to the settings, tap on general, and click on a date and a time. And you're not supposed to use the automatic selection for the time. If you want to change it or go back, you have to disable it like this and choose a different time zone. I guess you can do that if you prefer, but you can also just select any time zone and even adjust the time manually. So you can change it however you like, and this change will be reflected on the Apple Watch. And that is the only way you can do this, right? So to go back, you need to change the whole time zone or time on the iPhone as well. But in order to go forward, you can make it just on the Apple Watch. That's how it works. However, if it gets changed, I will most definitely update you about it. So make sure you stick around by subscribing, and that way you're not going to miss anything important. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.